we'll talk about the new Azure service called Azure SRE Agent. SRE Agent is a new AI-powered tool built to improve application reliability for the apps running inside production environments in Azure. Main capabilities are: one, getting a view of resource mapping for your applications, being able to ask questions about Azure resource configuration, usage, or performance metrics, diagnose, like performing log analysis and RCA, mitigate the incidents or alerts with user approval, and autonomously handling incidents with PagerDuty. So let's take a look at a website. It is to actually shop for some telescopes. If I go to do some shopping, I don't find any products. This is actually a critical incident for me. So let me try to create a PagerDuty incident for the SRE agent to go handle it. Now that the incident is created, I'm here in the SRE agent. This SRE agent is connected to an AKS cluster in which this product catalog deployment resides. And what this view is helping me is, just by connecting a resource group to the SRE agent, it's able to figure out the logical mapping and the dependencies that this application has on other Azure services. So right now the product catalog is connected to Redis. So this helps me to get a view of like the app dependencies, both downstream and the upstream. Now let's see if the incident that I fired in the PagerDuty got handled by the agent. Also, I want to quickly show you that this agent is actually connected to PagerDuty, and there is a default handler where it picks up the priority 1 incidents that get triggered inside the PagerDuty. So yes, the incident got handled by the SRE agent, and it said actually it's investigating and see how can I help. I would like to ask it to diagnose and mitigate the issue. So it's saying that the product catalog app is currently in a crash loop back off state, and now it's trying to collect the logs to identify the root cause. So it's now investigated to figure out like why the container was in a crash loop back off state, and it figured that there was no obvious exhaustion or configuration issues. In this case, it also figured out it probably due to an internal application error, and it actually found the code that's causing it. So this is not like a resource or a cluster configuration issue, but an application level bug. So it's suggesting, now it actually figured out the root cause and suggesting me to undo the rollout that I did earlier to bring the application back to a healthy state. So I'll approve it so that my website becomes operational. So it finished the rollback, and this whole analysis, it would have taken me several hours to understand like why the application is in an error state, and to even understand the whole root cause and mitigate it temporarily. Like this is a great experience for me, and this RE agent actually did the whole log analysis, RCA, and mitigate the issue in like under 2 minutes, thanks to SRE agent.